Welcome to Blacksmith Clothing Company. We are in Egg Harbor and we're cleverly hidden on Highway G just off of 42. Most of our merchandise is in for this season. We are fully stocked with new merchandise coming in every week. Our main line is Liverpool denim, which is their staple. They've also expanded into blazers, jackets, tops, and bottoms. It's a complete lifestyle line. You'll have to check it out. It's very popular. We also have dozens of other lines. We have midi, maxi, mini, A-line, every type of dress. We've got it. Come and check it out. It is the summer of the dress.